Qantas is opening its memorabilia storage shed to the Australian public, offering 1,000 Qantas 747 galley carts stocked with a range of items from champagne, an Australian red, and white wine to Tim Tams. The bar carts were removed from the airline's recently retired and much-loved 747 aircraft before they were flown to the Californian desert. Qantas operated various incarnations of the 747, Queen of the Skies, for almost 50 years before retiring the jumbo jet 6 months early as part of its response to the COVID-19 crisis. The 747 half-bar cart features 40 mini bottles white wine, and 40 mini bottles of red wine, 1 bottle of champagne from the business class cellar, 2 Qantas business class amenity kit, featuring ASPAR travel essentials, 1 Sheridan throw made exclusively for Qantas First Class, made of 100 combed cotton, 2 Qantas business class sleeper suits. Half-bar carts will cost $974.70 including delivery, or 169,000 Qantas points. A small number of full-size carts will be available with double the items for $1,474.70 including delivery, or 256,000 Qantas points. Qantas Executive Manager of Product and Service, Phil Chaps, said there has been huge demand for Qantas 747 memorabilia, and frequent flyers have expressed keen interest to convert the bespoke in-flight trolley into everything from lampstands to storage units.